The following segment is sponsored by the Home Building Association of Greater Portland.
If you're looking for fresh inspiration to upgrade your outdoor space, you may want to check out the Portland Spring Home and Garden Show. It's happening right now at the Portland Expo Center. Today is KATU Day, so you get $2 off your ticket today. KATU's Noelle Ford joins us live from the Expo Center. So much to see there, Noelle.
Yeah, Angelica, you can see there's beautiful gardening behind me, but it's not just gardening that you can find here. You can also find a lot of different unique ways to improve your home. So I am here with Taylor from Rick's Fencing and Home and Fencing.
Rick's Fencing and Decking.
Rick's Fencing and Decking. There's so much to say here.
There are
much to do.
A lot of people at this
Can
show.
you tell me about what we can see behind you? I know you really wanted me to emphasize the word custom.
Yeah, Rick's Custom Fencing and Decking is the whole name of our business, and we really emphasize custom for our customers. Something like this is a perfect example of taking the vision of what somebody wants to achieve that may be both beautiful and functional, and we can bring it to life. We bring in our expertise, we show you some of the elements that we can provide that can give you exactly the actual vision in reality.
And I know you said it was very important, you know, to come to this show instead of just kind of going online, just seeing everything in person.
Yeah, it's one of the best things about being able to come to the Home and Garden Show is that you get the chance to talk to experts in their field, and you get more of an experience than just what happens today where you're going to pick up the phone or you're going to maybe just fill out your quote request online. This is the chance to actually talk to us, get a real idea of what's available, what's new, what's exciting, and what are the ways that we can help you to maximize your budget, your space, and create something that becomes an outdoor living experience and not just a part of your backyard.
Yeah, what do you think are some of the most unique features of the things that you have here?
Yeah, for sure. So we have, well, for us, we emphasize fencing, decking, patio covers. We want to make sure that we're creating an outdoor living space for you that is something that you get to share and enjoy for the life of your home. So that's super important to us. And we have beautiful products, just like so many of the other vendors here. It's such a great time to come down. And this is a perfect time in spring. You're going to beat the rush before everybody thinks about it. You know, it's like before we know it'll be June. So this is a perfect time to come down, get some ideas, start some planning, schedule your quotes, and then you get to enjoy it.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much for joining us, Taylor. And of course, today is KATU Day, so you do get $2 off if you come. Let's toss it back to you, Angelica.
So great. Can't wait to check it out. And it's such a great weekend for that. We have nice weather. A lot of people are going to have spring fever this weekend. Noelle, thank you. As Noelle mentioned, the Portland Spring Home and Garden Show runs through Sunday. And again, today's KATU Day. You can get your $2 off your general admission ticket with the promo code HG26KATU. For more information, go to KATU.com/discount.
Amazing